Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to activate a Telstra Prepaid SIM card. Ensure your device is turned off. Insert the Telstra Prepaid SIM card into your device. The SIM card slot is usually located on the side or back of your phone. After inserting the SIM card, turn on your device. Your device should automatically attempt to connect to the Telstra network. If it doesn't connect automatically, go to your device's network settings and manually select the Telstra network. Once your device is connected to the Telstra network, you can activate your prepaid SIM card through the Telstra website or using the My Telstra app. Visit the Telstra website on a computer or another device. Log into your Telstra account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Navigate to the section for activating a new prepaid service or SIM card. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter the required information, such as your SIM card number and personal details. Confirm the activation process and wait for confirmation that your SIM card is activated. Download and install the My Telstra app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the My Telstra app and log in to your Telstra account or create a new account if needed. Look for the option to activate a new prepaid service or SIM card within the app. Enter the required information, including your SIM card number and personal details. Complete the activation process as guided by the app and wait for confirmation. Once your Telstra prepaid SIM card is activated, you should receive a confirmation message or notification. Your prepaid service is now ready to use, and you can start using your Telstra prepaid plan for calls, texts, and data. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.